Good day. Today, I will feature the latest project of Federal Land in partnership with Nomura Real Estate of Japan, the Observatory, located in Mandaluyong City. The Observatory is a 4.5 hectares development, a mixed-use component located along Pioneer Street, Mandaluyong City. It is very accessible going to Ortigas, BGC, and Makati. It is near on EDSA, JP Rizal, Ortigas BGC Bridge, and Kalayaan. So Mandaluyong is located at the heart of NCR. Observatory is very promising. Our latest offering is the Sora Tower, which will be turned over by 2030. We will have here residential condos, office space. We will also have here a mall, Japanese inspired as well, just like the Mitsukoshi Mall here in BGC. Still on pre-selling stage. So look at BGC now. Be a first mover at the Observatory by Federal Land.